Wow, that didn't take long at all. Here we are. Let's celebrate again. Hi everybody, welcome back to HamShack TV. I'm your host Josh, AA4WX. So, we were just here about 2 weeks ago, and here we are doing this again. We just hit 6,000 subscribers here on HamShack TV, and boy, it's amazing to me. This achievement would not have been possible without your unwavering support. Your likes, your comments, your shares, your subscriptions have been the driving force behind our growth. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for being an integral part of our community. I also want to extend a special thank you to our esteemed partners who have played a significant role in our journey. First off, to Ham Radio Prep. They are your comprehensive online courses online courses that have made amateur radio licensing accessible to many. Your dedication to education has empowered countless enthusiasts to join the airways. And guys, if you want to check out Ham Radio Prep, they're a great partner of the channel. They've got the technician, the general, the extra class license courses. They've also got MCOM, emergency communications. They've got HF master class, and they have a Baofeng basics course. So they have something for everyone. Go check them out, Ham Radio Prep, and use coupon code HamShack TV for an additional 10% off their already great prices. That'll let them know you heard it from here. I want to thank World Radio League. They've been revolutionizing the ham radio experience with their innovative logging platform and social features. You've connected amateur radio operators worldwide in unprecedented ways. They've also added a new integration I found out today, QRZ integration. Looks like you're able to look up World Radio League or look up QRZ users through World Radio League now. Don't think they've got the log integration there yet, but I understand that's something that's coming. WorldRadioLeague.com, completely free. Go check them out. Better Safe Radio. Better Safe Radio has been committed to providing reliable emergency communications equipment, and they ensure that operators are prepared for any situation. Their products have become synonymous with safety and dependability. Go check out bettersaferadio.com and use my coupon code AA4WX7 for an additional 7% off any purchase over $100. Great HTs, guys. Love their stuff. Bridgecom Systems. Bridgecom Systems is offering top-notch two-way solutions. Their enhanced communications capabilities have supported the ham radio community with quality equipment. They've got some great DMR radios. I know a lot of times they work with the Anytones, and I love my Anytone for DMR. Just a fantastic radio for DMR. Go check them out at the link down in the description. I think you'll enjoy what you find. And finally, our newest partner here on HamShack TV, Spec 5. They are pioneering advancements in off-grid mesh networking. Their Meshtastic devices have expanded the horizons of decentralized communication, making connectivity possible even in the most remote locations. Also, same thing. Go check them out. Their link's in the description as well. So guys, as we celebrate this milestone, we're reminded that it is just the beginning. With your continued support and collaboration of our valued partners, the future is so bright. Like it's like this dang light here on my desk. I mean, it's as bright as the sun. So I'm really excited where we're going. We've knocked off's not the right word, but we have outperformed some of the most respected YouTubers out there for ham radio, and I'm so thankful for that. We like to have friendly competition within the ham radio community for YouTubers, and it is a lot of fun. So Frank, you're next. Tank Radio, I'm coming for you. He puts out great content. Guys, if you're not familiar with Tank Radio, go look him up on YouTube right now, Tank Radio. I think I'm about 100 subscribers behind him right now. So go check out Frank. He's got great content. So anyway, that's about it, y'all. Again, I want to say thank you again for your unwavering support and everything that y'all have been doing here for HamShack TV. The future is just going up from here. So stick around. We're going to have some more great content for you coming up. Weekend after this one is the Rars Fest. We're looking forward to that. That is the next stop on the HamShack TV HamFest tour, fueled by Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League. So we're looking forward to heading over to Raleigh here in a couple, roughly about 12 days. So we're looking forward to that. Guys, if you've got anything to say, drop it down in the comments. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Let's hit 7,000 fast. And don't forget, when we hit 10,000 subscribers, somebody is getting an HF radio. Could it be you? Hit that subscribe button. And go check out the new HamShackTV.com. I think you're going to enjoy the modifications we've made there. 73s, AA4WX, WSCB 690.